Yes, okay. I think it's get those toes out there, eh? A little bit more for us. Stop. Now, see our camera just here? This one here, yeah. Okay. Your buddy over here, give him a wave. And these guys here, don't forget them, okay? This way. Okay. Woo. Don't grab that, whatever you do. On one, you can jump, alright? 3, 2, 1. See you later, brother. Oh, that's pretty good too. That's pretty good. That's not bad, that one. It's like a 4-4. Yo! Just pulling 80 at 1.5. No, that's maybe 2.5 off. If you had to choose without building your own computer, if you had to go unbiased, what's the system you go for?